My name is Johnny Galvan Ponce, and I am 29 years old. On my last vacation, I went to Ayacucho for the carnivals. I went with my three of my best friend Arturo, Brian, and Kevin. We visit Plaza Mayor de Ayacucho and Pampa de Ayacucho. We enjoyed the music, dancing, and traditional games. It was very fun and unforgettable. We ate puca picante and humitas. The food was delicious. This semester, I'm going to study a lot to get high scores and improve my professional life. I also plan to be more organized, attend all night classes, and participate activity.